What's up everybody, and welcome back to Motorhead.co, and welcome back to another F550 video. In the last video, as you guys know, we did get our cab mounted on the frame. We also got a lot of other small miscellaneous things mounted, like the blower motor and the evaporator core. Also, we got the heater core installed. And we did paint the dashboard. And let's check out what we got going on inside of the cab. All right, so as you guys can see, the dashboard is already mounted on here. I already tightened it down and everything, got all the wires routed the way they should be. The reason why I did that is because I did not want it laying around. We did paint it so it can be scratched if something falls on it or if somebody bumps it. Another thing we did do as well is the kill mat on the back panel. A lot of y'all were talking about how this panel was going to make a lot of vibrating and a lot of road noise would be heard through it. I don't think it's going to happen now because this kill mat is actually pretty good stuff, I think.
It's made in Russia, so I think it's pretty good.
Made in Russia, so it's going to be able to hold up to anything you throw at it.
Yeah.
So another thing we got done is this harness right here. I think this is the seat harness. And this truck actually did not have speakers back here. There was nothing here. There was no wires or anything, but we've got some really nice Kenwoods to go in here. So it's gonna be awesome. Nathan, why don't you go over and grab one of those speakers so we can show.
Talking about these?
Yes, sir. Look at that. Whew. That's gonna be nice. So all we have to do here is run some speaker wire, and we actually have two pairs of these. We have a pair for the doors and for here. They're really loud, they're gonna sound really good. We have a really cool stereo also going in. And check out this other little thing we had to fix. As you guys know, in the last video, we had to try to straighten this frame out, and we got it as good as we could. We couldn't completely get this little bow out, but if you look at it from the back, it looks pretty even. So I'm honestly not even worried about it anymore.
Yeah, it looks really good. I mean, it looks, the clearances are...
Some people are saying we'd have clearance issues right here because we made this piece come down to the cab so low, but I don't know. I don't think that's gonna happen.
I don't think the cab's gonna move that much. It shouldn't be able to move that much. That's like half an inch almost.
And if it does bump, eventually it'll just wear out little areas right here.
Yeah, it'll look
and
professional.
It'll look
All right, let's get to work, man.
Let's do it. All right, guys, so check this out. To get this interior assembled, there's actually a few pieces that have to go on under the hood. And if you come over here, you'll see what I'm talking about. We have no pedals, so we need to install the brake pedal assembly, the clutch pedal assembly, and the throttle. So right now, the first thing we're going to do is get the
brake booster.
The brake booster system. It's actually over here already. Glad cleaned it up really nice. It looks good. So we're gonna go ahead and pop it on.
Let's do it. It's a heavy duty brake booster, yeah?
Yeah, the brake, believe it or not, the brake booster is not like a regular one on a car. This one actually should have made these holes.
Yeah.
On a regular car, so you're gonna have your vacuum lines that run vacuum pressure to a big booster that gives you power brakes. This is different. This runs off of the power steering pump. So if you look right here, this is your power pump right here, and it runs off of your power steering pump, which is right there.
Oh.
Yeah, so your power steering and your brakes.
I was wondering where the booster actually is.
Yeah, there is no booster. It's pretty cool, eh?
Yeah, that's awesome.
This looks all very simple.
You have is it need a cotter pin or something?
Yeah, it has it already.
Okay.
I was actually smart enough to replace it where it was, put it back.
Yeah.
Usually that doesn't happen. Okay, so this brake switch, you need to make sure that goes back on there. All right, so I'm trying to get this pedal back on, and I don't remember how all this stuff goes back on there. So good thing we have another truck out there. We're gonna go check out how all that is. Okay, so the slot goes on the inside towards the pedal, then comes down from the top. Very, very, very.
So did you figure it out?
Very insightful.
How does it work?
It's gonna be kind of hard to explain that, but let's just say I got it.
Okay, let's see it.
I had it going on backwards, not gonna lie.
Okay, well.
That's why it's always good to have a reference. You know?
Yeah.
If you have like a certain type of vehicle, it's always good to buy another one that you haven't destroyed and molested yet, just to keep that one as a reference.
Yeah, that's why we got all of these same kind of vehicles over here, you know. We got some destroyed, like that one over there, and some unmolested.
Hey, come on. No, hold on. You got that backwards, bro. The pin is on. Let me hit the wire up. There. We now have power brake and brake light.
Perfect.
Let's move on to the clutch. Because we definitely have to have clutch. We got that brand new stage 2 clutch in there. We're gonna have to put a pedal in here so we can actually use it.
Yes, sir.
All right, so our clutch pedal is a little bit different. It's actually consists of this piece right here. This gets bolted on the inside on its own. And then what is that, the master cylinder?
Yeah, the master
The
cylinder.
master cylinder actually goes in here, and you got to put it in. You turn it, you stick it in, you turn it, and then it's in. It actually had a little bit of trouble. Me and Mark had a little trouble taking this thing off. It was a little too complicated for us, even together.
All right, let's get it back in there.
All right, we're gonna get this sucker back.
So pretty much we can bolt it all the way on inside here, and then
Yes,
do the
yes.
rest.
It's just nuts and elbow grease. Either she cross-threaded or she's in there. I'm going to go ahead and tighten the ones down under the hood because as Fords all are, it's highly adjustable. This kill mat was in the way. It didn't allow it to seat properly, you know what I'm saying? Speaking of Russians.
Russians, man, they make good products.
Dude.
Nah, I don't even know any Russians.
I don't know any Russians. I'll tell you one thing, that kill mat's a good thread locker.
Hey guys,
What's up?
treba predstaviti traka, pa mi treba lift.
Ah, okay. All right, so we got to move the truck because Dad needs a lift. So we're going to grab the rollback and move it over to the next bay.
Let's do it.
All right, so we got the truck moved, and in some of the comments in earlier videos, a lot of you guys have been asking to get our dad's opinion on the build, so we're gonna get him over here and see what he thinks about it. Hey, Dad, what do you think about the truck so far?
Truck, nice, I like job. Хороша робота. Professional. Все щепетильно. Nice. Beautiful.
Well, there you go. If the big boss is happy, we're happy. All right, so we are ready to install our steering column, which is a very important piece of this puzzle. Without it, you can't steer the truck. You can't start it either. So
We had actually replaced the steering column, so remember
yes,
that?
we did. Vlad actually did it.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah,
I did it.
so
We're gonna see if Yuri can do it.
next time you see Vlad, tell him thank you for replacing it.
Gotcha,
For
gotcha.
No reason.
Appreciate it. No reason, no, man. The truck was running fine.
Why is it so long, dude? Did somebody attach something to it?
Oh, is it magnetic? Is it something
I don't
stuck
know.
to it?
I feel like it's too long, man.
Oh,
I feel
well,
like somebody attached something to it at night while we were here.
Ford, like you said, highly adjustable.
Dude, you could probably do like a 2-foot body lift on this bad boy. Go. Okay, I think I'm getting stuck on the outside on something.
It's got to be the weakest impact Milwaukee makes.
This one?
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, I guess I can agree with you on that. What's up, dude?
What's up? How does it look?
Pretty freaking good. I like the black.
You like the black?
Sure, matches the red all nice.
Yes, sir. We got a black seat on the way.
Heck yeah. Gotta go with the bench seat.
Yeah, Poke's gonna recover it for us with some black vinyl and some diamond stitching, so
Heck yeah.
should look pretty good. Steak. Sir, appreciate it.
What is making all that noise? Let's go check this out.
Not gonna lie, I'm impressed. He got it. Check this out. Come here. Hey, shut it off. Shut it off. Check out what this boy done did. Nathan, tell him what you did.
So I got this tuck harness right here. As you can see, it's just the distributor, the ejectors, and the map and TPS. That's all it takes to run the
this is
motor.
a custom harness, right? You made that?
Everything's custom. It all goes inside here. Nothing on this car except that ground block or that fuse block right there, and it just connects up to ECU. Everything. It's all going to be on a battery isolator right here.
What about the brake light? I don't think the man started everything.
Well, he ain't done with it yet.
I ain't done with it yet.
He ain't done with it yet.
He ain't wiped it down yet.
He ain't put the fuses back in it.
Well, Nathan, stop making all this racket over here. We're trying to make a video. All right, guys, so check this out. We got the steering column in. It's all plugged up, hooked up, ready to go. All we have to do is hook up the actual steering rod under the hood. But for now, we are going to go ahead and install the carpet. So let's get that going. All right, so here we have our new carpet right here. Got it on eBay. Pretty sure it was made to order. It's pretty simple, nothing fancy. It's black. We are going to have to cut all the holes for the seats. Or the seat bolt holes and the gear shifter and 4x4 shifter. So let's get it in there and see how it fits. About the fitment.
Yeah.
I was not expecting it to be literally just a piece of carpet. I was actually thinking that maybe they would spend some time and form it into the shape that I asked, but I guess that was too much to ask for $200.
Oh wow, 200. That's quite a bit though.
Yeah, that's why I'm not. You see this face right here? Do I look happy?
I mean, no.
I mean, usually how I look. But no, dude, this is ridiculous because it's.
Yeah,
I don't know, dude. For $200, I was expecting it to at least go in there. I
Yeah.
wasn't expecting to do this much. Okay, you know, I'm cool with cutting the holes.
I talked with some, like David, the guy that's actually doing our seat, and he said it's nearly impossible to do anything with these kind of carpets. I mean, I did not realize it's not
You know
molded
what?
itself.
He knows exactly what he's talking about because I see no way to get this carpet in here looking good. It's just gonna have to be what it is.
Yeah, I think we're just gonna do what we can with it, and
Maybe,
we'll see.
maybe a heat gun from the back.
He was saying that that'll shrink it and it'll make it worse, but I don't know.
But see, I want to shrink it in some areas. Like, look right here. I'd like to shrink this corner. If I could shrink this corner, that would fix this problem right here. So, all right, that's going to be it for this video, guys. If you like the content, hit that like button. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. Also, check out vtune.com for some of the merch. Peace.